the question specifically was, what do you run the funnel with? So what we'll do is we'll run YouTube ad to either a VSL or a webinar, then to an application booking page, and then sell on the phone. For a course, instead of going to an application booking page, what you'll do is you'll just send directly to the course page. Then you'll have an entire retargeting apparatus running underneath your YouTube ads that's consistently sending people back to the booking page or back to your sales page. And then that's going to consistently get people coming in. There's some advanced stuff we do with mid-funnel, kind of middle of funnel stuff, but that's a story for another time. What you're asking is the funnel that works the best. Absolutely video-based VSL or webinar, because what's a YouTube video other than, or what's a VSL or webinar other than a longer form video, right? Which is what you're seeing on YouTube. Remember, one of the reasons YouTube works better than Facebook is Facebook people are scrolling by. They might not have the time to watch, a webinar. I've talked to people who have like 20, 25, 30% show up rates on their webinars. Our show up rate on our webinar right now, that we've been running for a long time, is between 50 and 60% show up rate on every hour on the hour webinar. And our average view length on an hour and 8-minute webinar is 53 minutes. So it's one of those things where people on YouTube, they're actively searching knowledge. And if you can get in front of them when they're looking up what you have to offer, your coaching, your consulting, your course, you get in front of them at that time, bang, you've got the right person. And then you can get them to go into the rest of your funnel, go into your actual VSL webinar, then take action. And then if they drop out anywhere, you're running retargeting ads. So one of the biggest benefits, and a lot of people don't know this, is that with retargeting ads on YouTube, the same rules apply. You only pay if somebody watches 30 seconds of your ad. So you know how on Facebook, some people are just doing, they're only retargeting people for 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. We actually retarget people essentially forever. 540 is the maximum you can do, and we max it out, right? We'll retarget people for over a year. I can't tell you the number of times I've gotten on the phone, or actually I don't really do it anymore. One of my advisors though gets on the phone and they talk with somebody and they're like, I've been seeing you for months. You must be paying a fortune on retargeting ads. It's not the case, right? We just consistently have that retargeting apparatus underneath.